Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is finally gearing up to drop his first signature sneaker with Converse.
And I'm pretty sure they just sent me a pair, but the size of this box makes me think there might be more to it. So let's open it up and see what we got. Dude, wait. Is this a duffel bag? Wait, this is nice. Oops, hit the fan. With the Shai branded luggage tag too? I'm definitely gonna be getting some use out of this. First thing we got is this matte black Converse water bottle. Remember to drink your water. Ooh, a Converse and SGA embroidered towel. Okay, that's not bad either. What is this? So this is the Hypersphere Go by Hyperice. They actually just did that giant massaging shoe with Nike that costs like $900, so I guess this makes sense. It says it's a compact vibrating massage ball. And hey, I'm sure you can tell, but I've been going to the gym a lot more, so my body is sore. I'm excited to try this out, seriously. Wait, what is this? Oh, strap for the bag, solid. I think we have one more thing in here, two more things in here. What is this? Look at this dust bag. You got the SGA logo, metallic, front and center. This is rad. What are these? Oh, okay. So, hey, I'm not mad about this at all. I've actually really been needing a fresh pair of Chuck 70s, and hey, black and white, little bit of cream on the laces. You can't beat it. Lay this duffel bag there so it's nice and pretty-ish, you know. That means the last thing has to be, let's see. Oh man, these are money. Okay, so we got the Converse Shai 001 in the butter colorway. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of bummed we didn't get to see the box because I feel like that's the one thing they haven't showed off yet, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. They could have just gone all out and made it super unique, or it's just pretty basic. And honestly, I'm good either way. Wow, these feel sturdier in hand than I remember. So a little backstory here. Back in February, I was invited to All-Star Weekend by Converse to attend the reveal event for this shoe. So this isn't the first time I've seen it. Actually, I was one of the first people in the world to see this shoe, which to me is just absolutely insane. I got to hear Shai and the team talk about the shoe and see a breakdown of everything that went into making them. And I liked them then, but now that I've had some time to sort of see them on the internet, see them on court, they have definitely grown on me a lot more than I expected. They're light and have this solid but premium feel to them, and oh no. Oh no. So I'm typically a 9.5, and it looks like they sent a 9. Wait, what size are these then? An 8.5? No. Oh, that's tough. I really hope these don't run small. Okay, so I'll try them on in a sec to see if they fit, but let's do a quick breakdown of the shoe itself. Starting from the top, you have this molded shroud that covers the shoe, with the puffy section coming in this soft neoprene material, and beneath that you have some sort of synthetic nubuck that feels pretty solid in hand. The locking zipper helps with containment, and beneath that you have this soft open cell foam that should be great for breathability. The tongue is a part of this sort of inner booty that lines the shoe, and I actually really like this because that means your tongue won't be going from side to side. It's actually attached to the base. And I don't know about you, but that's just a problem I have always had with shoes. I'm constantly trying to like adjust my tongue and everything, so that is a welcome feature, at least to me. Finishing off the upper, the laces have this unique rib texture to them, which I think looks really good, and you have some decent padding overall. Moving down, you have a fairly soft foam midsole with a air zoom unit in the forefoot of the shoe, heel counter for stability, and a rubber outsole with this radiant traction pattern. A few other details worth noting are Shai's logo embroidered on the tongue with Converse on the heel, and co-branded details on the zipper and outsole. Okay, enough of that. Now it's time to try them on and see if they fit. Please fit. Setting up this shot was super weird. I'm used to doing vertical content and not horizontal, so typically I use a backdrop, but the backdrop is tall, not wide, so it did not work for this. Also, while I have you, if this is your first time seeing me, thank you for clicking the video. I haven't posted on YouTube in like 2 years, especially a long form video, because I have just typically been sticking to TikTok and Instagram because, I don't know, it's easier, I guess. I haven't really really had time to create longer form videos, but now that I'm a full-time creator, I figured, hey, why not? My name is Seth. Been reviewing sneakers for like 4 years, but mainly short form. So this is my first crack in forever in long form. So if you enjoy it, please consider giving it a like. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, honestly, they're not bad. Loosened up, tied up. They are a little bit snug, like right here around the side. So I would definitely recommend to go true to size on these, because if these were a 9.5, I feel like they would fit perfectly. And although this is not terrible, I will probably still rock them. I'm curious if I can zip them up though. That will be the real test. Oh, okay. So we can get them zipped up, and it really doesn't make them that much tighter, which is kind of surprising. I feel like with other shoes with zippers, the second I zip them up, I can't handle it. I don't know what it is, but these are good. These are really good, actually. They do have a snug feeling to them, like they hug the sides of your shoes. Also, these are probably not the right pants to wear with these because you can't even really see them. But overall, like, how's the outfit? I didn't plan the outfit, but honestly, I feel like they're solid. Definitely an easy shoe to rock in a casual sense. So that is a win for me. Dude, why is filming horizontal so weird? I keep looking at the monitor over here and it's just throwing me off completely. But this is fun. This is different. As far as like cushion goes, it's not like super plush. Like it is a little more firm and supportive from what I can tell. Like it's not less comfortable than really anything else. I might rock these around for a few days just to sort of break them in and see how they wear. I am curious because I'm sure it's gonna crease up on the sides right here, but these are good. No complaints. Should I try these on with some different pants too? Ooh, and you can slide them on too, which I love because, dude, I'm not gonna unlace every pair of shoes I have just to put them on, you know? All right, some olive pants. A little less baggy so you can see the shoes a little bit more. These pants, I'm a big fan of. Like this is a good look. Oh, the black pants though. This is good. Like they are versatile. I know the color is a little jarring. Unless you have Timbs, like I don't think I have any shoes that are this color at all. But even though it is a different color, I feel like they're very versatile. They go with a lot. I'm definitely gonna get some use out of these. Okay, so overall, what do I think about the Shai ones? Speaking from a casual perspective, since I'm not a hooper, I think these look great. One of my favorite sneakers over the past few years was the AE ones from Adidas. And the thing I loved about those is it was a performance basketball shoe that you could wear casually. And I think these carry that same energy. They look great with a ton of different outfits. There's some solid colorways releasing later on down the line. And just so we clear this up, Converse is not paying me to review this shoe. Yes, I have friends at the brand, but I also have friends at a number of these brands that I review. Did they bring me out to the reveal event to check them out first? Yes, they did, but that's not really swaying my opinion one way or the other. I just think this is a great looking shoe on and off the court, and that's what I love about them. I think my only gripe about them is they took a while to get to the market, but like in the grand scheme of things, they were announced to the public back in February, so going on 5 months ago. And dude, there's sneakers coming out that we know a year in advance. So really, is that a big problem? I don't think so, but I know fans of Shai, fans of Converse have been waiting for this shoe for what feels like an eternity at this point, especially since we've seen 5 different colorways and none of them have released to the public. Outside of like that little pop-up they did in OKC when he won the MVP award, that was cool, but of course, a lot of people couldn't get them. Speaking of release date, we still do not have a set in stone date for these just yet. I'm sure by the time you're watching it, they will have announced it, but yeah, as of now, we don't know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be sometime in September, but hey, that's about it. I did ask my Converse reps about stock numbers. They didn't give me a specific number, sadly, but they did say they do expect them to sell out pretty quickly, probably within the first few minutes, which is pretty on par with every new signature sneaker that releases nowadays. Pretty much the first colorway always sells out. Very curious to see how the other colorways do and when they actually get released. So if the butter colorway is the one that you want to go for, keep an eye out on all the sites. A release date will be announced soon, and good luck. But let me know, what do you think about the Shai 001? Is this a sneaker that you want to go for, or is it just not that interesting to you? Obviously, if you watch this far in the video, you think it's at least somewhat interesting, so let me know in the comments. Also, remember to subscribe. I would really appreciate it.